Welcome to the Catbird Quilts. I'm Kathy Martin. Today's video is a celebration and a hearty thank you for 10,000 subscribers and a giveaway. So stay with me. I have the best community of viewers on YouTube ever. And so today I want to just give you all the thanks because 10,000 subscribers is not a testament to me, it's a testament to you and your listening and watching and subscribing and commenting and all of the things. And so since I have a global community of viewers, I'd like to start with a bunch of thank yous. So you ready? Here we go. Thanks, y'all. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much. Many thanks. Cheers. Vielen Dank. Tenakwe. Bedankt. Danki. Dhanyavad. Gurumahgat. Merci. Tak. Grazie. Domo arigato gozaimasu. So, whew. And let me say, as an aside, if you're in South Africa and I didn't get your language, it's only because there are about 15 of them, so I had to pick one. So thank you to all of you who speak other languages in these countries. And if I didn't get your country, guys, I had to pick. So we went with like the top 20 or something like that. If you've wondered who watches the Catbird Quilt videos along with you, you probably won't be surprised to find out that it's a lot of people like me. The vast majority of you are my age and up women in the United States, but also a ton of you in the UK, in Australia, in Germany. It's crazy. They're just views all over the world. And I am humbled and pleased and honored by that. And I'm so grateful for your watching. For those of you who are quilt husbands and men who quilt, you guys are the unsung heroes. So the husbands who sit along and watch along with your wives, watching quilt videos. You guys are just the best. I have one of those husbands too, and I would be lost without him. So thanks, guys, for that. And you men who quilt, man, you guys are my favorite because you are a very small percentage of the quilters out there. So I'm thankful to have you with me. I'm actually thankful to have all of you with me. And I say that a lot in comments. And it's because I really feel you. I feel you with me. We are here in this space together. And what a tribute to your kindness, watching and listening. A lot of you have said you turn the videos on and sew along with me or have a cup of coffee with me as I'm talking about whatever interests me that week. And I just think that's the best. There really is a connection there. And for those of you who have confessed that when I ask questions on camera and you answer at home, I feel it. I hear it. And I want you to keep doing it. And when you do that, I hope you know that I want those answers. I want you sitting in your living room saying, yes, me too, because that's just the best. So thank you for that. I know that a lot of you have loved that I have a lot to say, but having a lot to say would be pointless if I didn't have a lot of people who wanted to listen and watch. And so it really is, the success of the channel belongs at the feet of you all who are my viewers. And I feel that. I feel the love from that. And I require a lot of you sometimes in time and energy. So I'm very, very thankful. And I also, while I'm here thanking, I want to do the very biggest shout out to my husband who, sorry, Without him, there would be no YouTube channel. So, gosh, he's more than an editor, more than a producer, more than the vision, really. I mean, truly, there would be no The Catbird Quilts without Paul. And it happens to be his birthday this week. So happy birthday to him. And he's just the best friend, best support person, best editor, best everything. And so thanks to Paul for that. So that's that. You guys, we've been together. A lot of us have been together from my beginning here on YouTube, and that was June of last year. So hasn't even been a whole year, and here we are at 10,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. I've heard that phrase before. I can't thank you enough. And I always think, yeah, you can. I can't thank you enough. So anyway, enough about that. I would like to talk about our giveaway. I have wanted to do a giveaway from the very beginning. I want you to have what I have. I want you to have pastel ginghams. I want you to have bright pink shirts. I want you to have pillowcases with funky prints on them. And for those of you who have been shopping at your local thrift store, Goodwill or America's Thrift Stores, or op shops or charity shops, many of you have lamented that you don't have the variety that I seem to have in my local shops. And I have laid that at the feet of Southern men are courageous in what they wear, which is true. And we do love a good pastel down here. But I know that not everybody has access to those sorts of fabrics. So what I have done is I have put together some fabric bundles for you. And I'm going to show you what they are. But let me first tell you kind of the rules of the giveaway. So first, you need to subscribe if you're not already, and like this video, and then you'll need to comment. So I want you to comment with your favorite moment from a video here on the Catbird Quilts. And a lot of you have already, over the year, commented about funny or meaningful or interesting things that I have said and done, because you know I do some crazy things on this channel. But I want you to comment, because it is this connection that we have together, not just the topic, not just thrifted shirts and thrifted pillowcases and linen pants, but also quilting and stitching and cutting fabric and choosing fabric and colors. And some of you are my friends in real life, and to you, I'm also just exceptionally grateful because you already see me, and yet you're still here listening and supporting. So just put your favorite moment from any video in the comment with your location, like where you're from or where you're currently living. And that's really it. We're going to use an app that randomly chooses winners from the comments. With that, let me show you what I have put together as the giveaway choices. And of course, I might slide a couple of little fun things in there too, but the fabrics are what we care about. So let's start. The first is I'm going to call it a coastal bundle. Ocean, tropical. It's not really tropical. So it is and I've used this word before, persimmon, Oxford cloth, an orange linen, a nice light tan twill, my favorite micro gingham in that same color. There's just a really nice light gray shirt with little teeny orange polka dots on it, so to give it a little interest. And then this glorious turquoise or maybe aqua seafoam. Let's call it seafoam since it's a coastal bundle. Gingham, and then a really, really beautiful turquoise linen. So that's giveaway prize number 1. Giveaway prize number 2 is a little bundle of fabrics that I'm going to call Twilight. And that is a blue micro gingham, a nice little dark blue stripe, a purple gingham, the purple shirt, except this one is cotton, so it'll be fun to use. Another kind of plum grape, I don't know that color, actually. Red violet gingham. And this is a super fun, funky pattern pillowcase, part of a pillowcase, and then a bright pink small gingham. So if you've been looking for gingham, this is a good one. Next, I have a pastel bundle, all prints, very small, and it's pink and then peach, yellow, Oxford cloth, kind of a pale green, that seafoam again. I have a lot of it. I guess I really wanted to share. This is a light blue that has almost an orange peel pattern on it. And then a very, very light purple plaid. So if you're looking for a spring quilt or if you celebrate Easter, this is a good one. And the ones that a lot of you say you can't find in your thrift stores. And then this last one is actually the one that kind of started it all. And it is just, to me, like summer in fabric. So there's a red with white polka dots, a red gingham, an orange gingham. There's a lot of gingham. Are you getting the theme? I'm getting the theme. Yellow gingham with lollipops on it. This lime green, chartreuse green linen, and then a nice bright green, bigger gingham. And this one, gosh, just looking at it makes me happy. So those are our giveaway prizes. And like I said, we will take all those comments and run them through a random generator and pick them. And then I will comment back to your comment and we'll go from there. So there's no need to comment multiple times. Just one comment will do. It's going to sort that out. So the more comments doesn't mean more chances. It doesn't work that way. So we will pick a winner after a week from the air date of this video. Now, when we'll get it out to you, heaven only knows. The actual gift. But you have a week to comment with the requirements and we'll go from there. So super exciting. I hope you like the options. If you're wondering how much fabric is in these little pieces, there are 7 individual colors in each one, and it ranges from a whole fat quarter, back of a shirt, 2 sleeves. It's just what I have. And so I tried to put it together in a way that it was roughly the equivalent of a fat quarter, but some of the shirts that I have are very small, and so you might have a fat 1/8 instead of a fat quarter. And these are actual shirts that I bought from my thrift store and broke down and cut apart. You may find that I got crazy with the seam reaper, and you might find little holes or tears, so definitely look at it closely before you start quilting with them. There are a couple of fabrics that were just from my stash, and those were either gifted to me or I had them already in my stash from way back when. And so we're going to treat those like they're thrifted fabrics, even though they're not. I did not go out and buy fabric to put in the giveaway. These are all from my personal stash. So hopefully you'll feel the love in that and be able to use those in some fun way in your quilts. So once again, thank you so much for being part of my community here on the Catbird Quilts. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you and for your support and for your views and for your likes and for your subscribes. And I hope and look forward to many, many more videos with you and many, many more ways to connect with you through YouTube. This is the Catbird Quilts. I'm Kathy Martin. Thanks so much for watching.